guys, so today we have a nice little unboxing from thecubicle.us. I am going to be going through each of these puzzles one by one video for each one. So today we are going to be starting off with this Redi cube right here. Alright, so the Moyu Redi cube. So let's go ahead and go into first turns. So it's very smooth, but it's a bit sandy. I mean, something lube wouldn't fix it all, but the turning is really nice on this. But let's go ahead and mess this up, see if I can solve it. So that looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and solve this. So all I'm just pretty much trying to do right now is see if I could put in these edge pieces. So there we go. Looks like the first layer is done. So taking a look at this, it's kind of a lot like the Dino Cube as well, the way you solve it, or at least the way I'm solving it, because it's almost the same way that you would solve a Dino Cube. I really have no clue what I'm doing here on the last layer though, so oh, interesting. Sweet, okay, so got these edges paired up, and now it looks like we just need to pretty much flip these middle pieces right here. Maybe you need to put the middles first. Yeah, so I'm really confused on this puzzle right now. So as you can see, I'm doing something new for my unboxing videos. What's gonna happen is that I'm gonna have this turntable sort of thing, and this turntable I'm just gonna be having a voiceover over it, and I'm just gonna be talking about whatever cube I am unboxing right now. So for the Redi cube here, I did actually figure out how to solve it. It really wasn't too hard of a solve. I'll have some solve videos after this if you guys want to see that. And then if you want to go into the specs of it, it's really not that bad of a puzzle. It's a really great challenge, and it's absolutely very, very fun to solve. It is 61 millimeters, so it is a little bit bigger than a regular 3x3, but that really shouldn't matter for non-WSA puzzles. And what also is that it is $14 on the Cubicle, and it comes in the normal Moyu and Key shades. So this puzzle was originally designed by Oscar, and if you don't know, Oscar is just a puzzle designer, and he, in collaboration with Moyu, got this puzzle mass produced, and I'm really happy with it because this is an awesome puzzle to just add to your collection. So for the rest of the video, just enjoy these Redi cube solves, and they all are under 1 minute, so that's pretty nice. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!